Are you tired of having no career? Are you tired of having your parents mock you every day by saying that you're not a doctor or you're not making $1 million, even though they were the very people that made you practice 40 hours for that one music competition that you don't even care about? And thus, you decided to calm yourself by going into the world of electronic merrymaking? Sounds like you'll be a homeless weeb that lives in your parents' basement, right? Not to worry, innocent viewer.
Have I got something for you?
Video game composer. Didn't think that was a thing, did ya? Well, let me tell you that video game composers are responsible for the soundtracks we listen to while we were frolicking in our little video game worlds. For example, we have this one, this one, this one, and my favorite. Now, you may be wondering, what in the Pokemon world does a video game composer even do? Just be patient. Video game composers are responsible for composing the right music that goes with the right scene. For example, you don't want a happy, cheery song when someone is dying, and on the contrary, you don't want a slow, derpy song while some random person is trying to save the world. Knowing what scene goes where is crucial for a video game composer because this now sets the mood and helps the player connect with the game more. Video game composers also need a high understanding in music theory. So all those blank music theory sheets that you haven't handed in our 5 weeks to? These composers should also have knowledge in video editing softwares that are highly advanced and have cutting-edge technology. I mean, come on guys, it's 2019. Not everyone uses harpsichords, fifes, or lyres anymore. Even 8-bit is kind of outdated. Another cool thing about video game composers is that you don't require a degree to get in. So, yeah, that credit you got for passing the grade 8 piano exam, yeah, you kind of don't really need that. But wait, before you start throwing that credit away in the garbage, oh wait, it's already in the garbage, you should take that credit and use it for your advantage. I mean, think about it. Here you are trying to find a job that pays around $30,000 to $75,000 a year, which is the annual salary for a video game composer, by the way. You have your degree and you realize you don't even need one to get the job, but that's exactly the point. If you apply for a job that doesn't even require a degree, yet you still have one, don't you think people will applaud you for that? That will kind of make you stand out. Oh, well, I'm still in high school. I don't have a music credit, I'm taking music non-experience, and I don't even know how a lot of these things work. Guess that's the end for me.
Shut up.
Ever heard of something called school? Believe it or not, there are actually a lot of programs that offer to teach music in university. These programs help you enhance your musical skills, your theory skills, and they also teach you the technologies they use in creating music. There are universities like University of Toronto, University of Yale, even your very own University of Windsor has some programs. One cool thing about video game composers is that they can work at home. Some composers have the equipment to make music at home, so you have the comforts of home and you can laze around all you want while you're making money. Not the type to laze around? Well, alright, I'm not jealous or anything. Some video game composers can go to a professional studio to record their music, using the highly advanced technology provided for them. Keep in mind that your knowledge and technology will be greatly tested here. I mean, not everyone knows what a Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio Gen 2 USB audio interface and recording bundle with Pro Tools First selling at $269 at Amazon.ca is. Dang, that's expensive. In the end, it all comes down on being an active composer. Compose as much as you can using anything that inspires you. You may be a beginner in music that can't tell the difference between a major and minor triad. Or you can just be a mediocre musician that's just meh. I mean, like, they're just meh. You can shut up. In the end, music should be open to anyone that enjoys it. And if you make music, you should also share it with the world around you. Unless you're this person, then just shut up.